Yo, what's up guys? We are traveling cross country right now from Florida to California near Route 66, but I want to show you what I use to record wireless audio, and that is the Fifine wireless audio recording system. I have it plugged into my Insta360 Ace Pro camera, and the mic adapter, it just plugs in real simple and easy with a traditional line-in TRS jack, if you will. I'll put it right on there. Now the system comes with a nice carrying case here, solid, and then the rechargeable bank, if you will. Now it charges with the Type-C, comes with the cable there. If you look inside, pretty nice little setup we got going on here. Two mics and the receiver in the middle, and comes with two dead cats if you want to block wind, a charging cable, and then also another TRS tip ring sleeve to Type-C. Now all you have to do, once you plug it in, and actually once you remove them, they automatically sync to the receiver, which is really cool. Either A or B automatically syncs, and then you can adjust the volume on the system by just tapping A or B, low, medium, high. You can see on the side, right now I have A, so A is synced. It's hard to see in the light, but A is slightly blue. Yeah, really plug and play system. Fifine, 60 bucks on Amazon. If you're looking to do any vlogging on the go, this kit's great because it actually charges while they're in this bank. Even though it's not connected to anything, you'll see three lights, and they'll be solid if they're fully charged, and blinking if they're charging. Now, if you need a good audio system, Fifine. Check it out. I'll put a link down below. Love you. Bye bye.